Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Wispr Flow. In order to do so, here we are at wisprflow.ai, and as you can see here, you can download it for Windows. If you're on desktop, it's also available on Mac, Windows, iPhone, and Android. If you are an iOS user, you can head over to the App Store, and you can find Wispr Flow, the AI voice keyboard dictation without the mistakes. Perfect voice to text inside any app, AI polished, ready to send, a dictionary that learns your lingo, quick capture notes, never lose an idea. If you're interested, head over to the Apple App Store to get Wispr Flow. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.